So I'm in Trimble Business Center and I have a cut fill map that I want to get to Civil 3D or export out. So there's multiple ways of doing this. Probably the simplest way is to just use LandXML. So I'm going to go to the Home tab, select Export. Under Construction, pick the LandXML exporter, and then select that surface that I want to export. So you can see it's cut fill surface. I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to click on Export. So I've already done this, so we'll just let it go out. And then when you go into Civil 3D, start a new drawing, you want to make sure under your settings that you have the same configuration. So instead of international foot, I want to make this US survey foot, and make sure that's there because that will affect the importation of the LandXML file. So when I go to LandXML, I'm going to pick this XML file we exported. Here's the surface. You verify our units is in US survey foot. You click OK, and now I'll get a surface. Now Civil 3D will display the surface with the default style. That default style being a contours here. So it's just a matter of going to the style or going to the surface properties by selecting it, right clicking, going to surface properties. Under surface properties, instead of a surface style, we could use something like elevation banding and go to the analysis tab. And on the analysis tab, we can configure the range of elevations we want to display and the colors we want to display them at. So if I was to come in here and make this negative 0.0001, make that red, make this white, and go from 0.01 to 0.01, oops, negative. So let's make that negative 0.01, and this one being positive 0.01, or whatever you want it to be, and then this would be a positive 0.0001, and make that blue, and apply, and OK. And now we've got a cut fill map that looks very similar to the one in Business Center. So you got Civil 3D and Business Center. So in Civil 3D, it's just all a matter of the object style.